today's show I'm gonna give you my special recipe about the lemon tea that you can drink it for surprisingly relieve your varicose vein and much more. If you follow me today's show, I'm gonna give you much more new information about the lemon that is gonna be a lot interested, especially for everyone that has many other problems, especially if you have varicose veins. Lemon is a small evergreen tree growing about 7 meters with light green toothed leaves. Lemon were a remedy for scurvy caused by lack of vitamin C. Long before vitamin C was identified, though the native to India lemon trees were the first grown in Europe in the 2nd century CE and are cultivated in Mediterranean and subtropical climates worldwide. Propagated from the seed in the spring, they prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sun. The fruit is harvested in the winter when the vitamin C content is in the highest. And right now, I know everyone knows what lemon is, especially if you can take organic produce lemon, you will have many health benefits. But many of you will be surprised what else lemon can do for your body. What are the key actions? Lemon has antiseptic, anti-rheumatic, antibacterial, antioxidants and reduce fever, and much more. One of the big problems when you have arthritis of the hip or any other arthritic conditions of the joints is excessive acidity of your body, which comes from the consumption of the drug and the poor diet, and many other causes. Here the lemon can play a big and simple role. Of course, they help you a lot with your varicose vein, but one of the unbelievable benefits is for helping you if you have arthritic changes. Usually, and you right now know very well, acidity in your body can contribute your arthritic changes. That means you have inflammations, stiffness, swelling of your body. You will not believe it. If you drink tea of lemon or lemon drink with the water, it can help you relieve your symptoms. Also, lemon can play a big and simple role. Despite its acid content when digested, lemon has alkaline effect with the body making useful in arthritic conditions where acidity is contributing factor. The volatile oils as antiseptic and antibacterial. The bioflavonoids are antioxidant and strengthen the inner lining of blood vessel, especially veins in the capillaries, and then can help counter varicose vein and easy bruising. And that's why we know right now these specific chemical compounds of the lemon can help you a lot if you have varicose veins, because they prevent anti-inflammatory properties against your varicose veins. They can help you better with the blood flow. Of course, it strengthens your lines and the walls of the veins that you have problem, and that can help you in natural way. Lemon is valuable preventative medicine. It antiseptic and cleansing action made it useful for those prone to arteriosclerosis and to infections of the fevers, especially of the stomach, liver and the intestines. Its ability to strengthen blood vessels while help prevent circulatory disorder and bleeding gums. Lemon is also used as general tonic for many chronic illnesses. Above all, it is food that helps maintain general good health. The whole fruit, especially the pith, treats arteriosclerosis, weak capillaries and the varicose vein. You will not believe it. Can you please comment below if you anyone heard that lemon can help you a lot with your blood vessels? Of course, varicose veins, but it can help you a lot with your problems like high blood pressure, can help your heart and blood vessels works properly in natural way, and it is very well researched and it's got best natural remedies properties. Lemon juice is good for colds, flu and the chest infections. It stimulates liver detoxification, improves the appetite and helps ease stomach acidity, ulcers, arthritis, gout and rheumatism. As a gargle, lemon juice is helpful for sore throats, gingivitis and mouth ulcers. Externally, lemon juice can be applied directly to the acne, athlete's foot, chilblains, insect stings, ringworm, sunburn, and warts. Lemon is one of the beautiful plants all around the world. We all know it, but I believe no one or very few of us are thinking that lemon can help you a lot with the varicose veins. I'm going to recommend you my special tea that you can drink it and you can help get better with varicose veins. Required ingredients: 300 ml water, 2 fresh leaves of unpeeled lemon, heather or sage honey. Preparation: put the freshly washed leaves picked from the unsprayed lemon tree in a 300 ml of water. Cook for the 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, strain the tea and add honey. The tea has extremely pleasant fresh taste, light yellow-green color. You can sweeten the tea with heather or the sage honey. Heather and sage honey are perfectly with the lemon tea and can help you a lot. Why you will not use this information and can help with your varicose veins? Some will get better sooner, some maybe get better later, but usually these varicose veins have many other problems with them. You have many problems to get rid of varicose veins. Lemon can help you, but of course lemon will not be enough. But in small percentage, if it can help you, I believe you will be very, very happy. In period from 1st July until the supply lasts, I'm giving away 50% discount on the purchase of my books called Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health and Longevity, and Miraculous Natural Remedies, Part 1. The books have been translated into Croatian, English, German and Polish, and can be purchased on the internet site called Mario Labudović. Hurry up, because the quantities of books are limited and we are selling them until supply lasts. If you want to find out a much more natural remedies that can help you a lot with your varicose vein, I was talking about much more in my videos on my channel. Click on video right here and help yourself with your varicose veins. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.